Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has recently given us a little bit more insight into its very slow but long-term push to replace the classic control panel in Windows 11 with the new modern settings app. And Microsoft has very slowly but surely been migrating control panel features over to these settings, as I've been posting over the last couple of years. Now, in a new statement from March Rogers, who is the partner director of design at Microsoft, and I posted a video regarding March Rogers yesterday, where he had said that there is work underway to make design improvements to Windows 11. I will leave the video linked down below and in the end screen, because this is Microsoft's so-called effort to fix Windows 11 in 2026. Check the video out for more information. Now, the latest statement by March is that Microsoft is still actively migrating all remaining control panel features into the new settings user interface. And this is according to a response to a question over on X, where March says, "We're working our way through migrating all the old control panel controls into the modern settings apps. We're doing it carefully because there are a lot of different network and printer devices and drivers we need to make sure we don't break in the process." So that's the reason, according to March Rogers, who, as mentioned, is the partner director of design at Microsoft, why the migration from control panel to settings is taking so long. So basically, according to that statement, the biggest challenge comes from device drivers, being that many printers and network devices rely on older configurations that the modern settings app does not fully replicate, according to that statement. So because of this, Microsoft must ensure that these devices continue to function without issues during the so-called transition. Now, from a personal point of view, as I've mentioned previously, I favor the control panel over the settings app, because I feel that the control panel still offers a so-called deeper control in key areas like advanced network settings, printer management, and also the so-called device configuration that you can do from the different options available, I think remains more reliable and flexible in the legacy control panel user interface. That's just my view on it, because personally I feel that the settings app remains kind of limited in some areas. Because as an example, I think it lacks the granular control found in legacy tools like your device manager, just as an example. And because it doesn't offer that control, I think the settings app just makes troubleshooting more difficult for advanced users. That's just my thoughts on it. Let me know what you think down below. So although the process is taking quite some time to migrate from control panel to settings, according to Microsoft, it is still happening. And at this stage, Microsoft hasn't given us a timeline as to when it's going to be fully retiring the control panel. So this is obviously going to be an ongoing process. And I personally don't think the control panel is going to be going anywhere over the next year or two. But obviously, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.